Hello friends, welcome to my vlog. Here Rajesh is here. So currently we are in Kasauli in Himachal Pradesh, and we are going in the market. The market Kasauli is very famous for its different varieties. We are currently on the Major Dhyanchand Chowk. I will show you. We are on the Major Dhyanchand Chowk. The magician of hockey. So is Major Dhyanchand, and now we are going in the market. You can see we are on the chalk. Here is the clothes market, and here is the normal market. So let's go in the market and see what are in the market. So for which the market is famous. I'm going to explore the things and visit you by my vlog. You can see here. So you can see the market here. The weather is too cloudy. The atmosphere is very good, very good. You can see this is the heritage park. Look at the weather. The weather is too fantastic. So here you can see the heritage of India. This is the wooden work. Yeah, you can see the different items belongs to wooden. Some food items here. You can see the culture. Different items here. The people look so colorful, so fantastic. The weather is also fantastic. You can see some purse and toys. People are so colorful. You can see. The market is very neat and clean. The market is not too long. It's near about 1 to 2 kilometers, but the market is very good. You can see some winter items, some hats, western hats. Beautiful frames for photographs. Sweaters. So it's a very good experience to visit here. The place is very good. I'm going. So friends, it's good choice to come Kasauli and visit the place. My recommendation is to visit at least one time. You can feel, you can enjoy. It's too good. And you can see the nature. So colorful. So good. Yeah, Amit, what are you doing?
बस सर रहब कर दो
Amit is enjoying in the market.
Yeah, I am very
So friends, please tell how you feel and how you recommend the place. It's good. So I'm closing this vlog. Thank you.